Can urban farming be profitable in India? India is an extensively agricultural country. A vast population earns their livelihood on agriculture, which is a lot of people compared to the world demographics. While the urban areas drive the economy of India, rural India should be credited for sustaining the urban regions. Rural India is rightly the lifeline and backbone of the nation. Both are interdependent and sometimes overdependent on each other. This extensive pressure on the rural regions for agricultural production must be reduced. As the technology is advancing and innovations are fast replacing outdated equipment and tools. We are now in an era where urban farming is no longer an impossible distant reality. There is no doubt that we can't do farming in urban areas like metropolitan and cosmopolitan cities. The urban areas are now suitable, capable and of course more reliable to produce their food. They have better resources compared to many other regions. You have read it right. We can not only produce our own food but also commercialize farming or gardening in urban areas. We have many ways to start farming in urban areas, out of which, terrace gardening and hydroponics are very popular. And guess what? This is a great option to boost the already booming economy of the urban area, making it a greener and a better place to live. India is one of those countries where urban farming is being taken seriously. One of the primary reasons for this is the growing population of the major cities and of course, pollution. Urban gardening is on the rise in Western countries and is quickly picking up steam in big Indian cities like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi and Kolkata. Some of the Indian cities witness unpredictable weather which is not suitable for extensive urban farming but can be done on a small scale. For example, the weather in Mumbai is humid round the year, which is not suitable for some farming. For this kind of conditions, people have also developed things like controlled weather farming. These are nothing but the green-colored tent-like structures which are nets and the retractable shades to create a suitable temperature. Irrespective of the weather outside, this can create suitable weather inside, which is quite useful for a few plants which need special conditions to grow. However, the trend is also being witnessed even in not-so-metropolitan cities like Pune, Chandigarh, and Coimbatore. Though not many people are doing this in this kind of cities, somebody has to do this, right? To make other people realize how important this could be for the future. Benefits of urban farming. With the support from government by subsidizing urban farming, we can expect a good future of urban farming in cities like Hyderabad. There are many benefits of urban farming. We have listed a few below. Savings on vegetable spending, healthy and organic food, decorative purposes, biowaste can be utilized as manure, good hobby can benefit commercially. Urban gardening has a great future ahead in India and can potentially solve many of the existing problems in urban areas. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.